I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reverse level a Ram 2500. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and the correct wrenches. Safety is paramount, so begin by carefully lifting the front of your truck and securing it firmly on jack stands. Once the vehicle is stable, proceed to remove the front wheels. This will give you clear access to the suspension components you'll be working with. Now, let's focus on the leveling spacers. You'll need to locate and carefully unbolt the lower shock mounts. With the shocks disconnected, slowly and cautiously lower the axle. This action will relieve the tension on the coil springs, making it much easier to access them. Once the tension is gone, you can then proceed to remove the existing leveling spacers that are situated on top of the coil springs. With the spacers removed, it's time for reassembly. Carefully raise the axle back into position, ensuring the coil springs are properly seated. Reattach the lower shock mounts, making sure everything is aligned correctly. It's crucial to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety and performance. Finally, reinstall your front wheels, double-check all connections, and carefully lower your Ram 2500 back to the ground. Before you hit the road, conduct a thorough visual inspection of all the suspension components you've worked on. Make sure everything looks secure and properly installed. Then, take your Ram 2500 for a careful test drive to ensure proper handling and that the reverse leveling has achieved the desired ride height. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.